Introduction. Welcome to a fascinating journey through time as we explore the incredible evolution of technology. From the earliest days of humanity to the cutting-edge advancements of artificial intelligence, we'll trace the remarkable progress that has shaped our world. Get ready to be amazed by the incredible ingenuity and innovation that has propelled us from stone tools to the era of AI. Segment 1. Stone Age Innovations. In this segment, we delve into the dawn of human civilization, where our ancestors discovered the power of tools. From simple stone tools to the mastery of fire, we explore how these early innovations revolutionized hunting, shelter building, and daily life. Witness the ingenuity of our ancient predecessors and marvel at the foundations of technological progress. Discuss the various types of stone tools developed by early humans, such as hand axes. Highlight their purposes and how they improved efficiency in tasks like hunting and food preparation. Discuss the development of early agricultural tools, such as digging sticks and sickles, and how they led to the shift from hunter-gatherer societies to settled farming communities. Highlight the impact of early technological advancements on human culture, including the ability to create art, build complex social structures, and develop rudimentary forms of communication. Segment 2. The mechanical marvels. As civilization advanced, so did our thirst for new inventions. Enter the era of mechanical marvels, where we witness the birth of groundbreaking creations. From the printing press to the steam engine, these inventions transformed communication, transportation, and manufacturing. Printing press. Explore the impact of Johannes Gutenberg's invention of the printing press and how it revolutionized the spread of knowledge and information. Discuss the Industrial Revolution and the advancements in manufacturing technologies, including the development of steam engines and machinery, leading to mass production and urbanization. Highlight key inventors and their contributions during this era, such as James Watt and his improvements to steam engine efficiency, or Eli Whitney and the cotton gin. Discuss the impact of the telegraph and the subsequent development of the telephone, leading to a revolution in communication